Maroon and White, Ossining Fight. Hey, what do you say? Maroon and White, Maroon and White. Hey, what do you say? Ossining Fight, Ossining Fight. Maroon and White, Ossining Fight. Okay, so for this cheer, after it's called, you step back with your right foot on hey, and then you turn to your right and it's pause, and your arms are just right in front of you. So it's hey, pause, and you come back to the front, pause, and then you cross. What do you say? So far we have hey, pause, pause. What do you say? And then your arms come in a clasp, so it's clap, and then you just put them on, and then you clap on your arms. So it's clap, clap. So far it's hey, pause, pause. What do you say? Clap, clap. And you come out with your right arm, maroon, and you switch it to white. Clap, clap, maroon and white. Clap, clap. And you go again. Hey, pause, pause. What do you say? Clap, clap. Ossining fight. Clap, clasp. Ossining fight. So far we have hey, pause, pause. What do you say? Maroon and white. Maroon and white. Hey, what do you say? Ossining fight. Ossining fight. And then you jump out to your right, maroon and white. And then you go out to your left, ossining fight.